Merry Christmas Eve! I'm here with my baby girl, and we are going to do our unboxing of December's order. We're waiting for Daddy to come home from some last minute shopping, and I've got my Bailey's on the rocks.
Do not be mad at us if we pause this video. It's because Daddy might come in the middle, and we might stop it.
And then we have our holiday joy in our diffuser, Malin's favorite blend. So say hi if you jump on. We are unboxing our December order. I've already taken the tape off, as you can see. Okay.
That's
so
right.
And Malin wants to help me. So we hope you're having a good night. If you join us for the replay, hashtag replay, tell us what you ordered in December, or what you wanted to try, or what you loved. Let us know. So this is the signature aromas, and this was only available in December. And I got a couple of them because I wanted to give them as gifts to people.
For Christmas.
Yeah, well, I'm a little late on that, but I loved this dream blend that came in here. It was only offered at the gala for our doTERRA convention, and they offered it again to us for a limited time. And this one came with another blend, so I'm going to keep this one for me, for us, because I love that dream blend so much.
Wait.
But this is cool. It has a little doTERRA oils pouch. So you open it up, and that's what it looks like. They still have a few of these left, and I'm probably going to grab a couple more because I love giving fun, beautiful scents to people. So our first one is called Dream, and that's what I was talking about. This one is an amazing blend. I love the way it smells.
Wait, I want to smell it?
Yeah. So, can you smell it? Here, we gotta roll it.
That.
Yeah.
I just want that.
Well, you can share it with me. Now you can smell it better. Oh, it's like citrus.
Yeah, but it's strong.
It's strong, yes. It has some citrus oils, I can tell. I forgot what's in it, but it's it smells a little bit like our Beautiful scent, which Beautiful is my other favorite one. So this is the one that I've been waiting to try with you guys. It's called Radiant. Radiant. And it has this blue label on it. It's kind of on weird. That's funny. I'm gonna tell doTERRA about that. Okay, let's see. Wait, hold on. Oh, that's different. Here, smell that.
Tickles.
This one is more like a tree scent. Like a, what does that have in it?
Yeah, it's more like a tree scent.
Yeah. Malin's getting better at the at what's in things. So let's look at this. Oh my gosh, I cannot see. Radiant
blend. We have
blend.
19 presents under our tree.
What are you doing for Christmas? Is anybody celebrating Christmas on here or celebrating something else? Say hi if you jump on. I cannot even read this. I need to get my glasses on before I do another one of these. But the Radiant blend kind of smells like trees, but it's awesome. So I got 2 of these, and it has these other pouches. So this is really cool to just throw in your purse or your European man bag to carry just a couple of oils with you. Yeah, I'm supposed to be wearing glasses, but I don't know where they are, so I don't have them on.
How dare you lose them?
I know. So, let's see what else we have in here.
Whoa.
Oh, we got May's vitamins.
I need one.
Yes, you need one. So,
yes.
I went too long without these, but these I added to my
These are good. Try if you have a daughter, get these.
What if you have a son?
Well, you can get them too.
So this has an omega blend too.
But we already have some.
Yeah, but we'll just have another.
Yep.
So this omega blend is a liquid, and you can put it into smoothies. But Malin just likes to eat it straight from the spoon. So she loves it. She thinks it's yummy. It has wild orange in it.
What?
But it has omega-3s in it. It's good for brain health, Cardiovascular health.
I'm gonna go get this over.
Okay.
You
and
can
then,
keep talking.
oh, thanks. And then the A to Z vitamins are all food nutrient based, no pesticides, herbicides, any of that gross stuff that you're not supposed to have in kids' vitamins. So they don't have anything weird in them. And it's all food based, just like our vitamins, which I actually happened to get a pack of. So doTERRA offered 15% off for a few days, so I took advantage of that and got another pack of vitamins, even though I was kind of well stocked up. But these have the alpha CRS, which are kind of a free radical fighter. They fight inflammation. The E omegas with 3, 6, and 9, which help brain health, like I said, skin health. My skin has significantly improved since I've been taking these. I used to suffer from kind of cystic acne, and this, along with the Zendocrine that we have, it's a detox complex, has helped my skin incredibly. And then this Microplex is kind of your A to Z vitamins, and they're all food-based, like I said. So you're not overtaxing your liver when you take these. So when you get this pack, you can add up to 3 things for a lot cheaper, almost half price. So I got these vitamins and these omegas for $20. And normally these are around $35, so I added these to my order for $20. So that was pretty cool. What else did I get? No, you can throw that in the recycle.
Oh, but it feels so good.
Yeah, the cotton. And then I got 2 of the beautiful deodorants because they offered these for only a limited time as well. And I love the beautiful blends, so I figured these would be awesome. And they smell so good. The vitamins have a little happy face on them. She's loved those since she was really itty bitty. So
I'm 6 years old now.
So this is our deodorant that we use. They've reformulated it. They've put more in here, but it's all natural. It's essential oil infused. It doesn't have anything synthetic. So that's awesome. I love these. I'll probably gift one of these away, but I had to grab 2 because that's awesome that they have those, and they're limited. I'm a sucker for limited. Another thing that I was told to get, let's see what else is in here. I bought a couple of these. This is backwards, Amavi, but this was the Father's Day, part of the Father's Day gift set, and it's moisturize, or it's aftershave lotion. But my friend, Chelsea, uses this as her daily moisturizer.
And if you can't see this word, it says doTERRA.
Thanks, Boo. So, since doTERRA makes their stuff with no synthetics and no weird stuff, I thought I might as well have kind of like more of an earthy smelling moisturizer for myself. So I got one for myself. And these were limited too, so I decided to get 2 of them as well. And if you get 200 PV, which is point value, which is kind of the value of your product that you're getting, you get a free frankincense this month. So I made sure that I got at least 200 PV. So I'm going to open this up and smell it for the first time. I got some for my husband Brady, and he likes it, but I actually never smelled it. I just smelled the blend. Wait, hold on. So that's the moisturizer. It smells kind of earthy.
Put it on my hand.
Okay. You like that?
I need more.
You need more. Do you need moisturizer on your face?
There.
So this stuff I'm not worried about putting on my face because I am actually prone to acne, so I get kind of weirded out by stuff, but I know that
says doTERRA.
They use really good stuff, so I'm not too worried about that. But I love the idea of having a different scent. Sometimes you get kind of in a rut and want to use something else. So I got 2 of those. I guess this was the month of me just getting 2 of everything. And then I got this elephant diffuser.
I want it.
Yeah, this was a holiday gift, but it has lights, sound, and mist. So that's pretty cool. You can do like a humidifier type of thing. So it's ideal.
It's not huge. It's pretty, well, it's kind of huge.
They still have some of these available, I think, but it has a starry night light projection. Ooh, that's cool. I did not know that when I ordered this. Features one lovely lullaby or ambient noise with 3 nature variations. Uh-oh, we might be fighting over this in our home. Woo-hoo.
I want it.
Yeah. It's an elephant and it has steam, which is kind of cool.
I have a ducky. Could I go show them?
Yeah, you can. While I try to get this box open. I've had like 25 scissors around here, and here we go. I just got one of these because they're not going to be offering it, and I remembered that it had like a steam variation, which I've never had a diffuser with that. But here's the inside of the box. It's kind of cool. Elephant diffuser. That's awesome. I love diffusers. Diffusers kind of kill bacteria in the air. They can change the mood. They can get up into your olfactory bulb, wherever your cells are, and kill germs or any kind of anything that's kind of started festering in your body and that you want to kill. So look at this. Oh, how cute is that? It's a little elephant diffuser.
I want to see.
Isn't that cute? I love that.
And here's my ducky.
Yeah, we got the ducky a while back. This is super cool. So it has this, I guess, where the steam comes out. And I guess that's the little...
And the ducky comes out of the mouth.
It has the little sound and mist. And,
You show them the sound.
well, we're not going to turn it all on yet, but because it takes a while. You can just set this up. But you put the water in there with the oils.
Can I show them the ducky?
Yeah.
So it has wings, and also the steam comes out in the mouth. I do not know how to open these.
Yeah.
Why is there a tissue in here?
Because we were moving it. So when we moved, we put that tissue in there. But,
So here's the inside of it.
yeah, so you just fill this with water. This is how diffusers work. You fill it with water to the level it says, and then you just put a few drops of oil, whatever you want. You can mix them up and match them up.
Quack, quack.
And then you put this on and turn it on. And you can...
And the button is right here.
We've had a little coughing issues this week, so...
How do you tell?
I'm sorry. So we put cedar wood, and because that's really great for coughs, and lime, that breaks up congestion, and On Guard, which is our immunity blend.
Please have that.
We're going to talk about that after this. So, last but not least, we get the free frankincense. So frankincense is $69.50 normally, wholesale price. She loves frankincense. We put frankincense on her. Yay! So we got this for free, you guys. I've missed my frankincense. But I put this on every morning. Frankincense is kind of your go-to oil for anything, really. It's kind of the Swiss Army knife of oils. It's good for immunity. It's good for respiratory. It's good for cellular renewal. It's good for skin. It's great for anxious feelings. So you can use it on the back of your neck, kind of where your brainstem is. It's great for brain health. If you have anybody suffering from brain health or any kind of arthritic symptoms, you can use this. You can put 1 drop underneath your tongue, and it goes through your blood system to help you with any kind of inflammatory response in your body. But this is also great for sleep. So I put it on the back of Malin's spine and on the bottoms of her feet when she's going to bed. And this week I've actually put it on her chest because of her coughing stuff. But I love it in the diffuser at all times too, to help just relax the mood in the house. So I got this for free for ordering $200 basically worth of stuff. It was a really great month to stock up. We still have 7 more days. I was an English major.
6 or 7.
Yeah.
A week or close to.
Yeah, the 31st is the last day to get your free frankincense. So if you're close to that margin, I would add a couple of basics that you need, like toothpaste or laundry detergent or any kind of face wash or vitamins. Stock up on 2 things of vitamins and get your free frankincense this month. And then if you want to start with any kind of kit, we have great starter kits. One of the kits that gets you another free frankincense is the Home Essentials kit, and that comes with the 10 basic oils plus a diffuser, the petal diffuser. So, or you can get any other kind of kit and add a couple of oils that you might have seen here or some holiday items and get your free frankincense. So I wish everybody a Merry Christmas. Thanks for joining me tonight. If you joined me tonight or watching the replay, if it's after Christmas, I hope you had a great holiday. If you celebrate something else, we honor that.
Raise your hand if you can't wait for Christmas.
And want to just wish everybody a happy holidays. We love you. Thanks for being friends. Thanks for being customers. Thanks for building this wonderful business with me. If you're one of my partners here and if you want to get started, let me know. Wishing everybody a great holiday season, and we'll talk to you probably in the new year. Happy New Year, you guys, too. Take care. Bye.